How to make money online, 13 ways you didn't know existed.
You probably get this question a lot, and you might have different answers depending on the situation. Whether you're looking for a part-time job to make some cash, or trying to find something long-term to support you, your answer will change accordingly. The online world has opened up new opportunities for people from all walks of life. You don't need prior experience or an advanced degree to make money online, anyone can do it. If you're thinking about how to make money online, there are many ways you can accomplish this. Here is a list of our top ideas about how to monetize your skills and passions as a virtual assistant, blogger, social media influencer, affiliate marketer, and more. Making money online does not have to be hard or complicated. There are a number of ways that you can make money online, including setting up a blog, selling goods on eBay, and writing an ebook. Each method has its pros and cons, so it is important to choose the one that best suits your personality and lifestyle. If you are looking to make money online as a full-time job, then you should consider looking into paid surveys. Paid surveys are a great way to earn some extra cash while enjoying the benefits of your day job. There are several survey sites online that you can sign up for, such as Survey Junkie and Swagbucks. Just make sure that you are willing to put in the time and effort required to qualify for these surveys. If you do not have much experience selling online, then selling your own goods on eBay may be a good option for you. After all, everyone needs a place to store their belongings. By listing your items on eBay, you can earn money each time someone buys one of your products. It is easy to start selling on eBay if you already have some items that people might be interested in buying. Once you get started, just keep in mind the rules and regulations for selling items on eBay so that you do not encounter any problems along the way. Making money online can be tricky, but if you follow these steps, it will be easier than you think. It is important to have a plan before you start. You need to know what you want to accomplish, how much time you will spend on it, and what your potential rewards are. If you don't have a plan, then nothing is going to happen. A good place to start is with a blog. If you can write well, then this is a good way to start earning some money. Another way is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products for a commission on sales. There are many ways to make money online. The goal is just to find something that works for you and get started. Making money online is not an easy task by any stretch of the imagination. It takes a lot of hard work, perseverance and dedication to be successful. And even then, it can be difficult to make a significant amount of money. One way to make money online is to become an affiliate marketer. You can create your own website and promote different services that you are offering, such as blog posts, ebooks, courses, or other products. Then you will attract traffic from people who are interested in what you have to offer. Once they click on the link, they will be directed to the product page and a percentage of the sale price will be given to you as a commission. This can be an easy way to start making money online without much effort. If you want to make money online, you might think that you have to know how to create your own products or services. The truth is that you don't need to know how to do this in order to make money online. You can make money by helping others to make money online. You can also make money by selling products online. The secret is knowing how. You can learn how to make money online by getting a free online course. The free online course will teach you everything that you need to know about making money online. There are no setup fees or hidden charges for this course. In fact, it is completely free. So take advantage of this great opportunity to learn how to make money online.